What's up you guys, Jose here. So in today's video I'm going to be finishing my sound system. So I'm going to be installing a 12-inch sub, a new head unit, and an amp. So I'm going to do all the install, the rewiring. So yeah, let's get to it. Hold on. Before I continue with the video, I need you guys to subscribe down below. And follow me on Instagram, because I'm always posting on there. Anyways, get back to the video. So I'm going to take everything apart, remove the old head unit. There's going to be a new one. I'm running my amp underneath my seat. The wires can go under here, run out through the side panels. I'm gonna have my subwoofer in the trunk. Just removes like this. Very simple. Alright, finally got the screws. They're way up in there. There were like these brackets holding the radio. So this is the main one connecting all the power all to speakers. One screen's for the secondary screen. One cable's for the secondary screen, and one cable's controlling the reverse camera. And so I can now take this one off and figure out a way to connect those main wires into my new harness. So I went ahead and already took out the radio, so that's how it looks like out of it. So now I'm gonna transfer over the vents and the emergency hazard button. Before this gets any more crazy, I wanted to explain what I do have. So I ran the wires from my amp, connected them to the harness. So each of these are going to each speaker. I have my RCAs to connect from my amp to the head unit. What is this connected? Huh. Okay, we're onto something. What was this connected? This one. Alright. Like this. This one connects over here. What the? Okay. Yeah. So I finally got it to work. Let's see. Well, these controls do not work for this main head unit, and I finally got this camera to work, or this screen to work. That's all this wiring. Alright, I'm back with a final wiring update of how I did everything. These wires are coming from an amp, which sends it to here, that sends it to all the speakers, 4 speakers. I did need the secondary harness that came with it, but I only used this one, which is the screen, that monitor, and these are for the reverse light. So I figured I accidentally cut them, so then I hardwired it and then I cleaned it up with some tape. These aren't being used, so they're just gonna be there all the way to here. This is an adapter. Here's the model number. That's to be able to control it through here. These are my RCAs that are connected to my amp as well. So this is the radio. I just hardwired it to this, and it needed this plug as well. So the main components that bring everything together is the head unit, the harnesses, these two, and there's like adapter thing. All the cables are ran through here. As you can see, the RCAs, I set to modify that cover a little bit so that I could pop it in. Everything's running under here and underneath here, all the way to the back, and then my subwoofer's in the back. And my amp is right here. I started to find like a bracket or something, but it's right here. It's small enough to fit under my chair, and it's powerful enough to run my system. Like that, everything's back to normal. So let's do a turn on. There's that. Dang good. Okay, there we go. Un ratito más quédate si te vas. You know we're gonna do it big anyway. You know
People don't want to be who you want to. Dream if you want to.
But that's using the YouTube song. Like if you use a different song, this might be copyright. But let's see. Music. But yeah, that was it. That was a sound test. Sounds amazing. The bass is better. The speakers are being just used for the highs. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram, somewhere around here. Comment down below if you guys have any questions of this video, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. See you guys in the next one.